Okay, I don't think the camera's in quite the right position, but there we are with a York 863. Yes. So we're going to run with our standard replacement mic on this. To be fair, we should be doing the Radiomobile 201 first because it's an end user. This is trucking and farmings, but this is already set up, so it saves me taking this off and getting the other out of its storage box. So we'll do this first and we'll do the other one tomorrow. So I've got a bit of backlog. Mr. Chippy's been away for a few days, so we will see. So this is the last service video we did. There were 3 faults: no receive light, Duff Speak, we've borrowed one off one of his other sets. What else have we... Oh yeah, the volume control, that was it. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger.
Right, have you got a speaker to fit or something?
Oh yeah. Which one is it? That one. Okay, ready now. Yeah, ready now.
Roger, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger that, and on this radio we've got no tone control. Yes, we have. Here we go.
Right, so heading up the line towards the end of it. Passing place. The doggy daycare, which surprisingly on such a nice day is not in use.
Yeah, well there you go.
Right, coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station 154.9 and 187.9.
Roger on that.
Through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On a York JCB863 from broadcasting. I'm on a standard replacement mine. The radio station 441 output over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems. Right, we're now at the 5 mile point. We can't record with the camera because there's no memory card in it.
Oh dear, right, okay. Yeah, so I am on this JCB863 and doing full force output. The radio spin 1.35 amps. We've gone to low power and it's set to 400 watts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I'm not sure you came back onto 4 watts properly then.
No, I didn't. The phone was ringing. You put me on.
Yeah, roger that. It's very noisy today. I don't know what the matter is, but you weren't legible at all on low power. Full power's okay.
Yes, roger on that.
Right, off we go then.
Let's go.
Memory card in. Yep. Right, we're on the move again.
Got you on the move.
go, 21 from Mr. Chippy. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, petrol 154.9 and diesel 189.7, which I don't think's changed since last week.
Roger on that one, I've got to enjoy you with more leads on the speed. So there you go. So thanks for that, then, Ted.
Yeah, roger that, 10-10.
Roger got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. And have you got a petrol price for me, please?
Yeah, petrol 154.9 and diesel 189.7, which I don't think's changed since last week.
Roger on that one. Tell it's getting noisy with more leaves on the trees. So there you go. So thanks for that, and 10-10.
Yeah, roger that, 10-10.
Okay, folks. Well, we've got a problem with the receive. I've had to put it to Delta Tune up. Now, you may remember this set said someone's put a crystal filter in it, and that is clearly faulty. So I think what we're going to be doing is, behind the scenes, I don't need to show you this, we'll put it back to a ceramic one. I don't think you've got to change some resistors and things if you do it properly. We've never been involved with doing anything like that. I've always said, if you want a set with crystal filter, buy a set with a crystal filter. But I think we're going to have to go back to a ceramic one on this and make it work as it's supposed to, because it is off frequency to itself, if you understand that. The radio's on frequency, but it sounds off frequency because the crystal filter's faulty. But anyway, it doesn't affect what we've done because I've counteracted it by using the Delta Tune. So we'll go over to our base station. We'll see what it sounds like on my standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the York JCB863 into our Midland 76900 base station, which of course has the same in it, to both 78134. Testing 12345, power 431, gone low power. Upstairs the hum test, one low power, now back to full power, and then we do the clear normal thing. It's got those stupid clear normal. Makes it sound stupid. Here we go. Clear 12345, power 431, and then back to normal. Right, so next to repair is we're carrying on with that realistic 1005 handle, which has got a lot of dry joints plus more. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that tomorrow. It's Saturday tomorrow, and I've got a wedding to play for fun at the Scratchy Church, the Scratchy Corner Church. So we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Your JCB863 from